This is a quick, easy video that teaches you how to calculate the terms in a sequence when the sequence has an exponent. So if we have a problem like this one that says find the first three terms in the sequence, n represents the position of a term in the sequence. Start with n equals 1. And we have this sequence. N is the exponent. So don't be intimidated by this. It's actually very easy. So to find the first term, plug in n equals 1. Okay, we know we have to start with n equals 1. So we already know what n equals. So let's put that in. So 2 to the 1 is just 2, right? So now we just multiply 3 times 2, that equals 6. And then now that you understand this, it becomes very simple. So now to find the second term, plug in n equals 2. So you put 2 here for n, right? N becomes 2. So 2 to the 2 is just 2 times 2, which is 4. And then 4 times 3 equals 12. To find the third term, plug in n equals 3. So n becomes 3. So you multiply 2 3 times. 2 times 2 times 2. And then you multiply that by 3, which equals 24. So the first three terms of the sequence are 6, 12, and 24. And that's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you didn't get that right away, you could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook that you could download. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this video and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, if you take a look at the description, there's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. If you need extra help, you could check those out. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.